Hello, and welcome to our Montessori workshop. Today, we are going to learn a fun and important activity, how to pour water from a jug into a glass. This activity helps children develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and independence. Here's a guide slide with 5 step points. First, let's gather our materials. You will need a small jug filled with water, a small glass, a tray to catch any spills, and a sponge or cloth for cleaning up. Make sure everything is child-sized and easy for little hands to hold. Next, we need to prepare our environment. Place the tray on the table to catch any spills. Put the jug on one side of the tray and the glass on the other side. This setup helps the child see and understand the task more clearly. Now, let's demonstrate the activity. Show your child how to hold the jug with both hands, one on the handle and one supporting the bottom. Slowly and carefully pour the water into the glass. Be sure to pour just enough to fill the glass without spilling. Invite your child to try. Encourage them to take their time and remind them that it's okay if they spill. Learning to pour without spilling takes practice. If there are any spills, show them how to use the sponge or cloth to clean up. Allow your child to practice this activity as often as they like. Each time they pour the water, they are improving their coordination and gaining confidence in their abilities. Give them lots of encouragement and praise for their efforts. Great job. Pouring water is a wonderful skill that will help your child feel more independent and capable. Thank you for joining us in this Montessori workshop for parents. We hope you and your child have fun learning and practicing together. For more activities and resources, visit us at Montessori Workshops. Happy learning!